You can earn over $60 for every play-to-earn games app you install on your smartphone using these 3 legit website apps. So like this video, and let's start with the first website app called earnnut.com. Earnnut is one of the best and most legit play-to-earn games website apps. As you can see, here you can earn money by completing different tasks, taking surveys, and most importantly, installing and playing games. So just click where it says sign up and register yourself using your email and password. Once you log into Earnnut, this is how your dashboard will look like. And now to earn money with play-to-earn games apps, all you have to do is to click where it says offers, and you will be taken to this page where you can find different play-to-earn game apps to install and earn money online. You can choose your offer type from here, which we will choose as games. Then you can choose your device type, but for this video, I will leave it as it is. And the bonus tip to earn the most amount of money is to click on this default option from here and select the highest reward option right there. And now the Earnnut will short all the highest play-to-earn games offers, and it will show them to you. So as you can see, the highest paying games offer in my country is this one where I can earn over $83. Next highest games offer is for $63, then for $62, and so on. So you can easily earn $60 per game that you install from Earnnut and play. Earnnut is available in almost all countries around the world, but for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you. Now the second app on our list is the mistplay.com. Mistplay is also one of the best and legit play-to-earn games app out there. It is available in most of the countries around the world, so you can earn money using the Mistplay app from almost any part of the world. Mistplay has unlimited gaming apps for you to install and earn money playing those games. Now the game offers that will be shown to you will depend on your country, but the good thing is that here you can get paid in different payment methods that are available in your country. So if PayPal is available in your country, they will show you the PayPal options. Otherwise, you will be shown some other withdrawal methods like Payeer, Payoneer, different gift cards like Amazon and Google Play gift cards, or maybe direct bank transfer, depending on your country. Now the Mistplay app has already paid over $60 million to its users till now, and here you can find play-to-earn games offers that will pay you anywhere from a few bucks up to $40, $60, or even over $100 per gaming app you install and play. The Mistplay app is available for only Android devices at the moment I am recording this video, but in future, you may see their iOS version too. So the third play-to-earn games app on our list is the Free Cash app. As you can see, I have already earned $80 from this play-to-earn games app. Free Cash is available in almost all the countries around the world, and most of our subscribers are already earning over $100 from this app. Like Sohan from India earned over $48. This user from the United States earned over $131. Ali from Germany earned over $70. Andrew from Nepal earned over $35, and so on. So just sign up to Free Cash and log into it. And once you log in to earn money playing games, you just have to click the offers from the left and select the game option from there. That's going to show you different games to install and earn money online. Now here also you can apply the highest reward filter from here to find the maximum paying game offers to make the most amount of money possible. And because you stayed so far, I would like to introduce this bonus play-to-earn games app called Pinball Voyage app to you. The Pinball Voyage is a play-to-earn games app, or P2E games app, that helps you to earn money by playing this game itself. They are also the sponsors of this video, so I will leave a link to the Pinball app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Just install it to your mobile device, and this is how the icon will show on your smartphone, so just click it and open it. And when you open the Pinball Play to Earn Games app for the first time, it will ask you to enter the invite code to get sign up bonus. So just enter CashPro as your invite code, just like you are seeing on your screen, and press this confirm button right there. And as you can see, we are credited with the 2,000 money coins in our account as a sign up bonus for completely free. Now to earn money playing this game, all you have to do is to press this play level 1 button to start playing this game. So we need to tap on the screen one more time to start the level. And as you can see, we have 3 balls that will start jumping in this field to gain the points with these small 5, 20, or 50 points in the field. And wherever they come down, we need to tap on the screen again to push them towards the upward direction so that the balls can earn more and more points and become more stronger. Our main goal is to destroy this green lock with the highest numbers hanging on the top of this field. So keep tapping the screen to push the balls up in the air so that they can earn more and more points and become stronger so that the balls can destroy this lock hanging on the top. As you can see, whenever the ball bangs on this lock, it loses some of its points depending on the points of that particular ball. And just like this, we completed our first level of this game. As you can see, we completed this level with 412 coins, and we also earned 112 diamonds from this level, which we can multiply by 10 times if we press this claim 10x diamonds button right here. So just click on it, and that's gonna show us a simple ad, which we need to watch for just 10 to 50 seconds. After that, we can can close the ad. And we will be credited with 10 times more diamonds in our account, just like you are seeing on your screen. Our 412 points will also get credited to our account. Now we just need to press this right-faced arrow and our second level of this game will start. So once again, we just need to keep tapping on our screen whenever the balls come closer to the bottom so that we can push them in the upwards direction. The balls will earn more and more points and they will strike the green lock hanging on the top. And just like this, we also completed this level of the game. So this time we earned 151 coins in our account and we got 28 diamonds, which we can again multiply by 10 times by pressing this claim button right here. So just press it, watch a simple 10 to 50 seconds ad, and boom, we will be credited with the 10 times more diamonds in our account and our earned coins to our account. Now again, we just need to click on this right arrow icon and the third level of this game will start. The more levels of this game you play, the more money you will earn. But as you proceed through the bigger levels, the difficulty of completing the levels will also keep increasing. And to complete those difficult levels, you can take the help of these 3 boosters on the bottom of your screen, which will help you to easily complete each level of the game. Starting with the first booster, just click on it and a small pop-up window to buy booster will open up. So here you can see that I have over 2,800 diamonds in my account, which I can use to buy this booster. I just need to spend 100 diamonds to buy one of these boosters, or I can just watch an ad, pressing this play icon, and I will get 1 booster to use. And because I have enough diamonds in my account, I will just spend 100 diamond coins from here to get this booster. So I will just click on this 100 diamonds icon. And as you can see, I have got 1 chance to use this multiply booster. So I will just click on this booster. And as you can see, we had just 3 balls before, but now we have got over 9 balls in this field. They are earning points and destroying the green lock hanging on the top. As you can see, we completed this level also with 84 diamond coins, which we can multiply by 10 times by pressing this claim button and watching an ad. So you can see that we got credited with over 840 diamond coins. Now we will just press this right arrow icon again to play the next level of this game. And to complete this level of the game, we will use our second booster, which is this fire booster right here. So just click on it. And now we have over 3,600 diamond coins. So we can easily spend 100 diamond coins to activate the booster. Or we can just press this play icon to watch an ad and activate the booster. And because I have enough coins, I will just go with spending the 100 diamond coins to activate this booster. As you can see, we got 1 chance to use this booster, so just click on it. And you will see that one of our balls will become a fireball, which will help us to earn more and more points and complete this level faster. So just keep tapping the screen so that you can earn as many coins as possible. Now coming to our third booster, which is this magnet booster, just click on it. And you can see that we still have enough diamonds to buy this booster. So we will just press this icon to buy it. And now we have this 1 magnet booster to use. So we will just press it from here and all our balls will start to earn more and more points and destroy the hanging lock from a distance. With that, we completed this level also with 140 diamond coins, which we will again multiply by pressing the claim button. So as you can see, we are credited with 1,400 diamond coins again. So we can keep playing the different levels of this game and complete them using the boosters available here. Now you can come over to the homepage of our pinball app to earn even more money online. So if you click on this coin percentage icon, you will be taken to the shop where you can exchange your money coins for diamonds, you can buy different packs of boosters, and much more. Now on the homepage again, to earn even more money, you can click on this money bag icon on the left. And on this page, you can see that you can invite your friends to the pinball app and multiply your earnings here. Here you can find your referral code, which you can copy from here and share it with your friends to earn over 30% of their earnings as referral rewards to your account. Not only that, if you click on this share icon on the homepage, you will be shown 2 options of TikTok or YouTube to choose from. Let's say we choose YouTube. You can see that you can earn $2.50 if you just create a YouTube video longer than 15 seconds about this pinball app, showing how this app works and how you can earn money from here. Just like this, if you create more than 15 seconds long TikTok video, you can earn another $2.50 for that. You don't need many followers for this, and the more videos you create, the more money you will earn. Now let me complete some more levels of this game so that I can show you my withdrawal proof from here. So as you can see, I have earned over 20,000 money coins in my account, which I can exchange for real money from this green dollar icon on the left. That's going to show you this pop-up. So to withdraw $5 from this app, we need to exchange our 10,000 money coins. And you can withdraw the same to your PayPal account, Payeer account, Binance address, Gcash, USDT, or to the Mono. You can choose any payment option you like, but I like PayPal the most, so I will choose PayPal from there and click on the confirm button on the bottom. Now on this page, I just need to enter my PayPal email in this box and my PayPal mobile number in the next box. So let me fill this. You can see that our withdrawal will be credited to our account within a few days. So let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have received received $5 in my PayPal account sent by the Pinball Games partner. Once again, I will leave a link to the pinball game in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can download the app from there and start to earn money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.